what up, what up, what up? So I just made it through the warm-up, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I feel like shit. And I'm not gonna know exactly what I'm going to muster up with this hunter-gatherer conditioning routine, but I'm gonna try and like barrel through it and see how much I can get done. But body is sort of telling me to take it easy. I'll just go through one round and see how I feel, and if I still feel the same way, I'm just gonna cut it early. I still got a little sweat in from the warm-up, so that's enough, but I kind of want to get that full conditioning workout and then push that threshold a little bit higher, a little bit harder. So I'm just gonna push on the gas just for one round, see how I feel, and then if I feel pretty good, I'll continue. If not, I'm gonna call it, all right? Damn, let's get it, dog.
It can drive me to your heart.
So I did end up cutting that workout short because my body was just screaming at me, and as much as my mind wanted to mentally push through that workout, physically I couldn't get through it. So what I'm going to be doing right now is looking at the next 12 weeks of my training program and just like seeing exactly where, you know, there's a little lapse in my performance where I can enhance it without breaking my body, you know. So I'm gonna go through the drawing board and program some conditioning components and some real recovery sessions so that I can perform at a much higher level, because today was a clear indication that I was sort of overtraining. So I'm going to go back to the drawing board, scrap out everything that I had planned, and continue this preparation phase of my program, and then add some much needed, you know, recovery options and conditioning protocols. All right, so I'm going to end the video here, because tomorrow I got to get much rest. I'm going to this event, this fitness event, so I need some rest and recovery so that I can, I'm not sure exactly what they have in store for me, so I can have much needed, you know, rest before going into this unknown situation. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and holla.